Welcome to EcoGrow Farms. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of aloe vera mass production. With its incredible health, skincare, and wellness benefits, aloe vera has become one of the most sought-after natural ingredients around the globe. From healing burns to moisturizing skin, it's hard to imagine a more versatile plant. But have you ever wondered how aloe vera is grown and processed on a massive scale to meet rising global demand? Let's explore the amazing journey of aloe vera, from the fields to your skincare products. Aloe vera's rise to popularity is no accident. Known for its healing, soothing, antimicrobial, and antioxidant properties, aloe vera has made its way into a wide range of industries. Whether it's treating burns and wounds, moisturizing the skin, or even being used in dietary supplements, this plant offers something for everyone. With the global trend toward natural and organic products, more consumers are seeking out aloe vera as a safer, eco-friendly option for health and beauty products. Aloe vera thrives in arid and semi-arid climates, meaning it doesn't need a lot of water to flourish. This drought-resistant plant loves well-drained soil and minimal rainfall, making it both eco-friendly and cost-effective. Large-scale plantations are often located in regions with ideal conditions, such as parts of the United States, Mexico, India, and Africa. These plantations can span hundreds of acres. And the cultivation process starts with planting offsets, or pups, which are young aloe vera plants growing at the base of mature ones. These pups are carefully transplanted into fields with enough space between each plant to ensure they have plenty of room to grow. Proper spacing is critical, as it allows the plants to thrive without competing for nutrients or sunlight. Aloe vera plants take about 18 to 24 months to mature. Once they are ready, it's time for the all-important harvesting stage. This process is labor-intensive and requires experienced workers to carefully cut the mature outer leaves from the plant's base. The inner leaves are left intact so that the plant can continue growing and produce more leaves in the future. Using sharp knives or specialized tools, workers harvest only the best quality leaves, ensuring they aren't damaged in the process. These leaves are then transported to processing facilities. But before we dive deeper into the production process, make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying learning about aloe vera farming. We've got plenty more fascinating content coming your way about sustainable farming practices. Now comes the magic, turning those freshly harvested leaves into aloe vera gel. The first step is a thorough cleaning, where the leaves are passed through large, automated washing systems. Equipped with rotating brushes and high-pressure water jets, these systems remove all dirt and contaminants from the leaves. Once cleaned, the leaves are carefully inspected to ensure only the highest quality ones move on to the next step, extraction. This process involves filleting the leaves to separate the outer rind from the inner gel. In many facilities, this process is semi-automated, with machines slicing the leaves open while workers monitor and assist as needed. After the gel is extracted, it's collected in large vats for further processing. The next step is pasteurization, where the gel is rapidly heated and cooled to kill any harmful bacteria. This process helps extend the shelf life of the gel while maintaining its beneficial properties. But the gel isn't quite ready yet. Advanced filtration systems are used to remove any solid particles or impurities that may still be present. These systems go through multiple stages, from coarse filtration to ultrafiltration, ensuring the aloe vera gel is as smooth and pure as possible. Once the gel is stabilized, it's often mixed with other ingredients depending on its intended use. For instance, if the aloe vera is going into skincare products, preservatives, fragrances, and other skin-benefiting compounds are added. This flexibility allows manufacturers to tailor aloe vera for a wide variety of uses, from lotions and creams to drinks and supplements. Aloe vera gel is typically packaged in bulk for mass distribution. It's often stored in intermediate bulk containers, IBCs, that can hold anywhere from 275 to 330 gallons of product. These containers are designed to keep the gel sterile during transportation, ensuring it reaches its destination in perfect condition. Aloe vera's popularity is not just about its health benefits, it also taps into the global trend toward natural and organic products. As consumers increasingly seek out safe, natural remedies, the demand for aloe vera continues to rise. This trend is expected to keep growing as more people turn to natural products for skincare, wellness, and even household cleaning solutions. In fact, aloe vera is now a cornerstone of the natural beauty and wellness industry, and its production is only expected to expand in the coming years. As more people become aware of its numerous benefits, demand for aloe vera products is likely to continue rising. And with its eco-friendly, sustainable cultivation methods, aloe vera is well-positioned to remain a valuable resource in the years to come. Thanks for joining us on this informative journey into aloe vera mass production. If you enjoyed learning about this remarkable plant and its uses, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to EcoGrow Farms for more amazing insights into sustainable farming practices. Drop us a comment below to let us know what aspects of aloe vera production you found the most fascinating. See you in the next video.